In 2 minutes, this Subway closes.
Everyone wants food?
Yeah! But what happens when 50 hungry gladiators storm in demanding footlongs just minutes before they close?
You guys ready?
Will they honor their store policy or leave all 50 of us starving, proving their customer promise is a complete lie?
Excuse me? Are you guys still open? Okay. Guys, they're open! Excuse me? Can you guys serve everybody? No. Tonight we feast!
Can we get 30 turkey sandwiches, 20 ham, and 10 Philly cheesesteaks?
They immediately started working. Steak and cheese!
No olives! No olives!